If you want to show the internet speed on the status bar on OPPO Find X9, then in that case, first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here, let's open settings. Then we're gonna scroll down a little bit and choose notifications and quick settings. After that, you should be able to go to status bar, and then in here we have real-time network speed, which can be enabled and disabled quite easily. However, you may notice that at first you might not be able to see that, and mostly because we need to make room for that icon. So in my case, I'm gonna actually change the battery percentage to let it be inside. I can also hide the VO Wi-Fi icon and VO LTE if possible. There we go. And finally, now we can see the internet speed. So in case you make any changes on the status bar and you don't see the selected icon, just make sure that there's actually enough space over here to display it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.